Boom. Is that YouTube, guys, for you? So now I have access to YouTube. Can search for anything that I want to search. Okay, very awesome. Boom, you can now access your Netflix. There you have it. No more bored kids inside your car. Okay. So we got a question right here from Kate. What's up, gentlemen and ladies? Welcome to another episode of Project Gentlemen. We're here. We love to talk about the things that help us win in life. And for today's video, guys, I'm so excited to share with you one of the most amazing things that you can do in your car if your car has an infotainment screen or display. I can't wait to talk about this, guys. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. So what I'm talking about, guys, is being able to watch YouTube or Netflix on your car's infotainment screen. Again, safety reminders, guys. Please prioritize your safety. Only use this if you're in idle, you're waiting for your child, or you're stuck in a very heavy traffic, or you can use this feature for the rest of your family or your companions inside the car. But again, let's avoid any distractions while driving as we can. We need to get home safely. So if you cannot do that, then I suggest don't follow what I'm gonna be showing you in this video. So in order for us to be able to watch Netflix or YouTube in our car's display, we are going to need this particular dongle. So a brand or a store called Finodi sent us this package right here, guys, for us to unbox and review their product. So actually, this company or this store is actually where I also bought the wireless dongle for the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that I always talk to you guys about in TikTok, here in YouTube. So I can say that this store has really proven itself. I've been using the wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto dongle for over a year now. So I can really say that I could recommend them to you guys. Thank you so much, Finodi, for sending this and for the trust. This product will surely be very helpful to us here in our community. So now let's unpack and unbox this device. Let's see what we have inside. So this is how it's gonna look like, guys, once the package arrived. Okay, and then let's open it up without further ado. Right. Whoa. Okay. Right. Okay, that's nice. Then what else do you have inside the box? You have this user manual. And what else? I think there's something else. Okay, there's a like some kind of thank you card. It says VIP. Wow, you're gonna feel really like a VIP once you buy one of their products. So it also comes with this Type-C to Type-A USB port adapter, because what you have right here is a USB Type-A, and just in case your car only has a Type-C port. So now let's proceed to the installation and the activation of this device and how to make it work, and let's see if it's really gonna work for us. Right, let's go. So this is the actual dongle. It also has a QR code at the back so that you could have more information about this product. So now, since my car has a Type-A USB port, this is just gonna be a plug and play for me. Okay, so as you can see, I already plugged it in. Now let's observe the infotainment screen. Let's wait a couple of seconds. It really takes time, guys, every time it's plugged in for the very first time. So as you can see, there you go. So the moment that you've plugged it in, guys, on the USB port of your car, you're gonna see some kind of animation right here, Smart Dongle Pro. So initially, you're gonna find an option for CarPlay or video. So what we want later on is the video part so that we could watch YouTube or Netflix. It's gonna be a separate with the Apple CarPlay version. So let's first click on CarPlay so that we could pair it for the very first time. So you can see right here, this is the Bluetooth name that you're gonna find and pair with your Bluetooth or your phone's Bluetooth settings. So this is my phone right here, guys. Went to the Bluetooth settings, and then you're gonna find the Smart Dongle Pro name that popped out. So as you can see right here, let's click on that. Wait a couple seconds, then there's gonna be a prompt to pair. You just allow. Just wait a couple seconds. Once again, you're just gonna be doing this for the first time, guys. Once it's paired, it's gonna be easy peasy. You can leave and ride your car. It will automatically work for you. Okay, so the benefit is you can use CarPlay, Maps, Spotify, right? Let's select video. So once you choose the video option, you can see right here, very nice guys, very interesting, right? YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, and then this other app right here. What we want to do is to click on settings. Then afterwards, you can see right here, network and internet, the system, and about this device. So we're gonna choose network and internet. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn my phone into a personal or a mobile hotspot. So once I've done that, now the device could detect my phone for the very first time as a Wi-Fi or internet source. So of course, you're gonna input your password right here. Okay. Alright, once you've entered your password, it now says connected. So once your internet is connected guys to the dongle or to the device, now we can go and select video. So now let's try YouTube first. So as you can see, YouTube is now ready for you. Just search anything. Okay, for this case, let's try my channel. Boom. Is that YouTube guys for you? So now I have access to YouTube. Can search for anything that I want to search. Okay, very awesome. So now let's try to play one of our videos. So as you can see, it's working now. Just make sure to log in your Google account so that you could have the premium benefits. Oh wow, full screen. I'm enjoying my YouTube right now. Okay, so just in case you want YouTube, very much available. So now let's try Netflix. Okay, of course, once again, you still need to sign in with your account. So once you've entered your password or the code that will be sent to your email, boom, you can now access your Netflix. Okay, let's try this out for the kids. There you have it. No more bored kids inside your car. Okay? So what do you think guys? Let me know in the comment section below. Whew, I love this feature. Thank you Lord, I can now enjoy this amazing feature in my car. Again, thank you to the store that sent this, Finodi. Thank you so much. Enjoy Netflix. And then by the way guys, if you also want TikTok, let's try it out. For those who have a shorter amount of attention span, again, you can just log in with your TikTok account. Turn your key from this into this. Okay. So we got a question right here from Kate. So there you have it guys. I hope that this video was able to help you. For sure, watching YouTube or Netflix or some kind of entertainment could really be of great help while we're waiting, like I said, or stuck in heavy traffic. We could really use some entertainment. I highly recommend that you get yours today guys. Links are just in the description or in the pinned comment. If you're gonna buy in TikTok shop guys, I can really say in my own experience, 3 to 5 days you already have your precious device. So if you found this video helpful, consider to like, share, and subscribe. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that when we seek God first, all of the things that we need will be added unto us, and that's when we truly win in life. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Ciao.